Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aivin Adriana binti Zainal, matrix number 2023450066.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Nordin and my number matrix is 2023680988.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Rebecca Akila binti Rami and my matrix number is 2023641284.
Question 1, which is explain the meaning of differentiation and what are the technique of differentiation. The meaning of the differentiation is a fundamental concept in calculus that involves finding the rate of change of a function with respect to one is a variable. In a simpler term, it's a measure how functions change as an input change. The result of differentiation is called derivative for function is y equal to fx. Application include the slope of a curve at a point, finding the maximum or minimum values, and lastly calculating rate of change in physics, engineering, and economy. Now we take a look of technique of differentiation. We have 4, which is quotient rule, power rule, change rule, and product rule.
Question 2. Find dy over dx for the following functions. A. 3x2 sec x plus 2. This is a product of two functions which is u is 3x2 and v is sec x plus 2. We're gonna be using product rule, which is uv prime plus vu prime. U is 3x2, u prime is 6x, v is sec x plus 2, and v prime is d over du sec x plus 2, which will be a chain rule, which is sec x plus 2 tan x plus 2. So we're gonna be implement a product rule, which is dy over dx equal uv prime plus vu prime. Dy over dx equal with 6x sec x plus 2 plus sec x plus 2 tan x plus 2 and 3x2. So the answer will be dy over dx equal to 3x2 sec x plus 2 multiply tan x plus 2 plus sec x plus 2 and 6x. That is the final answer. 2b, y equal with 4x plus 2 over cos x. This is a quotient, so we're going to be using quotient rule. But with the given formula is y equal u over v. So we're going to be implement quotient rule, which is dy over dx equal with vu prime minus uv prime over v2. U is 4x plus 2, u prime is 4. V cos x, v prime is negative sine x. Dy over dx cos 4 minus 4x plus 2 negative sine x over cos x 2. So we're going to bring the negative to the back, which is the negative sine x. So it's going to be cos x4 plus 4x plus 2 sine x over cos x2. That's the answer.
For question 3, we are given the equation y ln 3x minus exponent 2x plus 1 minus time for y equal to 0. And we are asked for to find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. We differentiate each term with respect to x, remembering that y is a function of x. First, for y ln 3x, we use product rule. The second one, exponent 2x plus 1, we use chain rule. The third one, tan 4y, we also use chain rule. Now, we put it all together and we group the terms with dy over dx at the left. And finally, we solve for dy over dx. And that's our final answer for question 3.
Now let's take a look at question 4, which is we have to evaluate or approximate these to 3 decimal places, which is the question is power square root of 4 18.99 minus 2 per square root of 18.99. Step 1, we must choose the nearby values, which is x equals to 18.99 to x naught equals to 18.1. Let's define the function, which is fx equals to square root of 4x minus 2 per square root of x. Now then we have to change it to chain rule, which is we have to write it in x power of 1 per 4 minus 2x power of negative 1 per 2. And then we have to find the derivative. In step 3, we must to apply linear approximation, which is we have to approximate and we have to substitute the value. And step 4, we must to evaluate f18.1 and f prime 18.1. Now we have to calculate derivative at 18.1. And lastly, we will got the final answer of this question.